National Weather Service in Grand Junction has issued a flash flood warning for the Lake Christine fire burn area in southwestern Eagle County in west central Colorado, eastern Garfield County in west central Colorado, northwestern Pitkin County in west central Colorado, until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the Lake Christine fire burn area. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the burn scar into Aljabel as well as across Frying Pan Road north of Basalt. Runoff and debris flows will also impact Cattle Creek. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding in and around the Lake Christine fire burn area. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of areas in and around the Lake Christine fire burn area. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Basalt, Emma, and Aljabel. This is a life-threatening situation. Heavy rainfall will cause extensive and severe flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the Lake Christine fire burn area. Severe debris flows can also be anticipated across roads. Roads and driveways may be washed away in places. If you encounter flood waters, climb to safety. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.